10 luxury kitchen trends you can't afford to miss in 2025. A luxuriously designed kitchen with a combination of premium materials and elegant lighting. The white quartz countertop contrasts with the glossy wood cabinets, creating a modern and exclusive look. Built-in appliances such as an oven, microwave, and stainless steel refrigerator maintain a neat and futuristic impression. A spacious kitchen island with chrome bar stools adds a touch of glamour, while a crystal chandelier adds an elegant feel. Integration with the living room creates an open atmosphere that is comfortable and functional. This kitchen successfully creates an aesthetic and functional look through a combination of neutral colors such as black, gray, and white, creating an elegant and clean impression. Hidden LED lighting and zigzag line lights on the walls add a unique aesthetic touch. Marble material on the backsplash and countertops provides a luxurious feel, while built-in appliances keep the look neat. A multifunctional kitchen island with bar stools provides an additional area for relaxing or working. Ornamental plants in the corner of the room complete the atmosphere to make it fresher and more comfortable. This kitchen is not only beautiful to look at, but also very comfortable and efficient for everyday use. This kitchen has a luxurious design with a white color dominance that gives an elegant and clean impression. The marble dining table with carved legs and upholstered chairs add a classic feel. The modern classic-style kitchen cabinets with glass doors and silver handles present an exclusive look. Lighting from glass pendant lights and hidden ceiling lighting enhance the luxurious impression. Integration with the dining room and decorative railing stairs creates a spacious, bright, and elegant home atmosphere. The third kitchen has a luxurious design, with a combination of wood and matte black materials that give an elegant and modern impression. The island kitchen with reflective countertop adds a premium feel, while hanging shelves for cooking utensils create a functional and stylish look. The large open space with natural lighting reinforces the exclusive impression, coupled with wooden floors that add warmth and luxury to the interior design. Luxurious design kitchen with modern concept. Large island kitchen with glossy black countertop gives an elegant impression, while white cabinet with wood touch adds warm nuance. Built-in kitchen appliances arranged neatly, including double oven, reflect luxury and high functionality. Natural lighting from large windows further enhances the spacious and exclusive atmosphere in this room. This kitchen features a luxurious design with a modern minimalist concept. White cabinets with black handles give an elegant and clean impression. Built-in kitchen appliances, such as a double oven and a stylish cooker hood, add function and aesthetics. Soft lighting and simple decorations create a comfortable and exclusive atmosphere. Luxurious design kitchen with a modern minimalist concept. The white marble-covered island kitchen provides an elegant and clean look. Built-in kitchen appliances, such as an integrated oven and gas stove, add a premium feel. Soft lighting and large windows with green views create a spacious, comfortable, and exclusive atmosphere. Luxurious kitchen with elegant combination of white and black. Island kitchen serves as cooking area and casual seating with modern bar stools. Kitchen appliances such as large refrigerator, built-in oven, and coffee machine add premium impression. Soft lighting with blue light accents on the upper shelves gives futuristic and luxurious feel. This kitchen has a luxurious design with a combination of dark blue, white, and elegant marble touches. The spacious island kitchen with marble countertops adds an exclusive and functional impression. Modern lighting and premium kitchen appliances, such as a built-in oven and large stove, enhance the classy look. A touch of minimalist decoration with dried plants and open shelves creates a charming aesthetic balance. This kitchen has a luxurious design with a combination of white, natural wood, and a striking touch of red. The curved shape of the kitchen table gives a modern and elegant look. Hidden lighting under the cabinets and floor adds an exclusive impression. High-quality materials and an ergonomic layout make it functional and aesthetic.